And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, no thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings across the region for now, but more of these storm cells are beginning to gel together, and we could begin to see more severe weather across the region beginning here pretty quickly. You can still see a lot of the heavy rainfall across parts of Montgomery as well as Boone counties, south of Crawfordsville, north of Ladoga. Some nice heavy rainfall right there, maybe even some small hail associated with that system. Going a little bit further off to the north across parts of Warren, Tippecanoe, and Fountain counties, see more of that rainfall pushing across the region. Heavy rainfall there just south, or I should say north of Odell, southeast of Attica, Judyville, just southeast of that as well. This is all moving eastward very slowly, only about 19 miles per hour, so not a quick moving system. Each one of these moving pretty slowly, so localized flooding a possibility with each of these. Just southwest of Chalmers, northwest of Round Grove, seeing some heavy rainfall there. This is in southern White County. This is all moving eastward once again, and another line of showers and storms slowly rolling eastward across Newton, Jasper, and Pulaski counties as well at this time. So we continue to track multiple rounds of rainfall, all of which could supply the region with heavy downpours, cloud the ground, lightning, large hail, and possibly even some damaging winds in the coming hours as well. And because they're moving so slow, the National Weather Service issuing a flash flood warning for Tippecanoe, Montgomery, as well as Clinton County, Boone County, part of that on top of that. So localized flooding possibility in those regions as well. Let's take this map, thrown in the motion. We can get a better idea of exactly what's happening over the last couple of hours. You can see early today, not a whole lot of precipitation. We had a lot of heat and a lot of humidity, and in turn a lot of fuel for thunderstorm development. We had one trigger that was one little thunderstorm across the southern half of the viewing area. Then it blew up, and that's why it's all rolling eastward at this point. We're going to continue to track the potential for severe weather in the coming hours because there is a slight risk across the southern half of the viewing area. That slight risk, the main threats, large hail, damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 to 70 miles per hour, not to mention isolated tornadoes, of which we did see earlier on. Some reports of damage across parts just near Clark's Hill. We saw, or at least we're getting reports of damaged homes, trees down, debris across Route 52, U.S. Route 52 as well. And again, we're going to continue to see the potential for severe weather as we see that evening roll on. It's all because of that heat and humidity. Another heat advisory across not only our viewing area, but the entire state of Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri. We do have a heat advisory in effect until tomorrow evening at 8 p.m. Saturday. Temperatures already beginning to recharge. We're up to 79 in Lafayette, 85 in Fowler, 87 in Covington. You can see more showers and storms rolling eastward right towards Lafayette. 79 degrees here in Lafayette at this point. Those storms will continue to roll eastward throughout the evening hours. Our threats for severe weather come to an end really after about 8 to 9 p.m. Thereafter, we're in the clear. We dip off to 73. Tomorrow looks dry. Unfortunately, it looks like a hot one to say the least. If you are headed out to dancing in the streets, bring the sunscreen and be hydrated. We'll reach a high temperature 93 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. I would not be surprised to see an excessive heat advisory or even a warning issued because heat advisory or heat indices, guys, maybe as high as 105 to 110 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So downright dangerous heat after the potentially dangerous situation we have ongoing at this hour as well.